How to buy ElizaOS token. So this token came under the symbol of EOS. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and go and engage with their community. As you can see here, they have a community with 707 members. Now, to be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created in 20 hours ago, and it's increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. Now, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address, it came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. So now you are be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy EOS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.